Hey guys, welcome back to the madness. This is Shaggy's Awesome Garage. I'm Shaggy. Appreciate you tuning in. Welcome in all friends and family, followers and subscribers and outlaws and in-laws. Thank you guys for being here. Today I'm going to, what is this? This is going to be the, I got several things going on in my head right now, but sorry about that. But yeah, this is my my answer to the giveaway from Woody Scale Model Garage. He did a giveaway a few weeks ago, and I was the lucky recipient. If you guys haven't seen that video, go back and watch it. It was pretty cool. But yeah, let me get you turned around to the bench, and I'll show you what's going to happen here. Just give me a sec. Hey guys, welcome back to the bench. Let me get you down to the bench and we'll see what's going on. Ooh, that was kind of rough. Sorry. But yeah, here's the place of business for Shaggy day in day out. Oops, sorry, kicked the camera. Dang it, I keep doing that. Sorry, sorry guys. First things first. If you guys want a shop card of mine, then send the email down here to rickw71@gmail.com, and I will get one sent out to you. If not, then feel free to check out our Facebook and give me a subscribe right here on this this YouTube channel. And there's that. Also, if you guys are familiar, or well, if you aren't familiar with it, then let me get you familiar with it. Link and I are hosting a box stock group build going from September 1st, 25 to March 1st, 26. I know there's a lot of group builds going on right now, but, you know, it's just something we do. That we both decided to do at the same time. Not knowing that each other was doing it, we decided to pool our resources and co-host it together. So, yeah, go check out Link over at Link Scale Models, and yeah, if you got any questions about it, just let us know. There's a lot of people that joined in, and we really appreciate each and every one of you guys that jumped in the group build with us. There's a lot of people. I would hate to try to name them because it's last I checked, it's over 70. So yeah, there's a lot of people. But basic group stock, basic. Hold on, let me restart. Basic box stock group build rules. Buy your model kit. It doesn't have to be a car. It can be a figure, sci-fi, Gundam, military, tank, airplane. Does not matter. If it's a model kit, you can buy it and build it for this group build. Basic rule is, first and foremost, have fun. Enjoy it. Yeah, that's what this is all about. Second rule. Open the box, build what's in it, use your choice of tools and paint. That's it. Really nothing else to it. Don't add any 3D parts, and don't take anything away from it. Don't modify the kit itself. Just build what's in the box and have fun. That's really all we ask. But yeah, now, on to the meat and potatoes of this video. Like I said, guys, in the last video that I put out about the Pay It Forward that I won from Dave's Scale Model Garage, I won this kit, and it's a Pay It Forward kit. And basically, what that means is if you win a Pay It Forward video, and you end up with a Pay It Forward gift from that video, then what you are supposed to do is pay it forward to someone else and give a kit away to someone else. Rule number one, you have to be a content creator. You have to have a YouTube channel. So if you don't have if you're not a content creator and have a YouTube channel, then don't participate in this build, because we have to pay it forward, and to do that, you have to. Well, you don't necessarily have to do it, but that's kind of the pay it forward YouTube type thing. But yeah, you have to. You don't have to be a subscriber. It'd be nice if you subscribed. Go ahead and subscribe if you choose to do so. But yeah, you don't have to be a subscriber to do this, but you do have to have a YouTube channel, or maybe even a Facebook, and put it on Facebook. But if you have a Facebook channel and not YouTube, go ahead and tag me in it. Tag Dave in it over at Woody Scale Monte Carlo Garage. And whoever wins this, I will let you know in a week's time from today. Whatever day this is posted. I'm not sure when I posted it because I'm recording the same day I'm recording a bunch of other videos. But yeah, anyhow, pretty simple. And I'm doing this to show my appreciation for folks out there in the YouTube community. We all try to support each other. We all try to keep the hobby going and keep everybody happy and doing it. And that's kind of the reason we do this pay it forward stuff. A lot of times there's people out there wanting certain specific kits that they can't find or can't buy or whatever. But that's sort of the pay it forward. What's it called? Pay it forward genre, I guess you could say. But yeah, enough of me rambling. Let me show you what I'm giving you guys. One lucky winner will receive this right here. It's the Farm Tractor Porsche Diesel Junior 108. I bought this from what was it? I think I got it from Ollie's. There for a while, this was a pretty popular kit that people were building, and I thought maybe, you know what, that's a kind of a cool kit. I would like to build it, but you know, I got to looking at my stash and the group builds I got going on and other stuff I'm doing. I just don't think I'll ever get around to it. But you know what? It's not like I'm giving away stuff that I don't want. I really like this kit. It's pretty cool. It's just a nice little build for someone. I'm loving the detail that's in here. Pretty cool. And yeah, there's so much on my plate, I'll probably never get to it. Maybe one day down the road, I'll end up with this kit again and build it then. But yeah, this is part of it. Not only that, you're going to end up with something else. Let me show you what else is in the package deal. I guess you could say. This right here, the Ford GT Le Mans 2017. This is a very highly detailed kit. And yes, it has an engine. It's not a curbside. There is definitely an engine in there. It's somewhere right in this area here. And yes, the box is open. Let me show you what's in the box, just so you guys know. It has the body. Everything's still wrapped. Here's your glass, your tires. Here's some more glass. Here's some more parts. As you can tell, everything's still wrapped up. And look, there's your engine. Lots and lots of cool stuff. And the decals have been kept in a sealed bag to keep moisture from them, so they're in good shape. And yeah, as you guys can tell, it's a very detailed kit. Comes with a whole bank of instructions, and it's a Revell, so you know that the instructions are gonna be good. So I love the way that Revell does that. So yeah, I bought this kit from an estate sale probably a year and a half, 2 years ago, maybe. I don't know. Anyway, of course, you know, we buy these kits thinking we're going to build them one day, and we don't end up building them, and they just sit on the shelf collecting dust. But you know what? I'm going to send these out to one lucky winner that maybe that one lucky winner could enjoy building them without me just having them sitting on the shelf and being wasteful. Well, not really wasteful. I mean, I bought them thinking I was going to build them one day, but what I'm going to do is pay it forward to somebody else that will build them before I could get to it. Anyhow, so yeah, guys, that's the pull back. You get a better view. There we are. So yeah, that's a pretty cool combination, I think. A tractor and a racer, or you can race a tractor and but I wouldn't recommend farming with the Le Mans car. That would not be very successful. But anyhow, yeah, there it is, guys. So yeah, guys, whenever this video drops, from that day will be the next day on the next week. So we'll give it a week. And but yeah, one other thing. This is very important. This can only be open to folks who live within the contiguous. I don't know how you say that word, but the lower 48 states, because shipping overseas is incredibly expensive. So, or out of America, I should say. So yeah, within the United States and within the lower 48. I mean, I can't ship to Alaska or Hawaii. That's extremely expensive too. So yeah, just another little note. But anyhow, guys, that's the video. Like I said, the day it drops, whether it be a Tuesday or a Thursday, I'll let you know from that day all the way up to that day the next week. So 7 days. Drop in the comments. Hey, I'm in it to win it. I want to pay it forward. So anyhow, guys, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for sticking with me. If you have not subscribed, please do so. Leave me a comment. Share the video. Tell your friends. And hit that notification bell. And we will see you guys on the next video. And remember, keep the stash growing and the airburst blowing. We'll catch you next time. Thanks.